Hello everybody. This video is oh really it's technically just a short. I want to show you a secret about Slime Rancher. Okay, so this is quite, this will give you a lot of rich coins in Slime Rancher. Wait, let me just make it daytime. I don't like the night. Oh, sorry if I'm quiet. My mic is away. My mic is away from me. Yeah, I just can't be bothered because this is a very cool thing what I really want to show you. And yeah, I literally just found it out. It's so cool. Sorry if you can barely hear me. Also sorry if you can't hear me. In fact, there's no point if you can't hear me. Because, well, really, you won't be able to hear me say sorry. I just need to show you this. It's very, very cool. Actually, no. This is not the way to go. Why was I going this way? This is not the way you're meant to go. This is not the way you're meant to go. Do not follow my instructions about this. It's going the wrong way. This is so rich. Quicker. Go quicker. Really want to show my fans what really aren't fans. They just really don't like me. They just, yeah. If you go through this portal, it gives you loads of gold plots. I'm sorry if I'm being loud. But you do need a key to open the door. Yeah. It gives you so much gold plots. Seriously. So goodbye, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye.